Alright, here's the unwrapping. Uh-oh, that one got stuck. We'll take all the plugs out. And the bolts, the tape. I'm going to take one of these brake pad pins and stick it in the holes. See how far it goes in. They should all go in about the same. This one's going in, oop, that one's not going in deep enough. So I'll run a drill bit into that one, see what happens. That one's not enough. That one's farther. Alright, let's get a drill bit. So I already drilled this one out so you can see. Goes in about an inch. I'm going to drill the other one out now. You can see that one. You got to shake the crud out. So, not that one. Must be this one. Got rust in it. So I'm going to do that and then take it out over and blow it out with compressed air. If you don't have compressed air, you can use air duster in a can. That's the tool I use for cleaning out the jets and stuff and the ports. And you can see it's a whole kit, and it's for oxyacetylene. So you just take it and stick it through the hole and make sure that there's no crud left in the hole from sandblasting or cleaning or any residue. So those all look clean. Everything looks clean. Alright, there we go with reassembly. I'm going to use my BAF 12 assembly lube. And I'm going to put a bunch on the caliper body. Just take your new seal and set it in there and then push it in. It goes in by itself pretty much. If it binds up on you, then you got to take a tool like this or a very small screwdriver and then straighten it out. Alright, and then on the inners, actually that's the outer, the one that's harder to get to, which takes the one with the smaller hole. Makes it easier if you put the dust boot on ahead of time than if you have to put it on when it's down inside that area that you can't get to your fingers to. Oh, there it goes. You just stretch it out a little bit so it's about the same shape all the way around. Alright. Then you just set it in there. Push it down past the seal. And then put the dust boot in and shove it down a little bit more, and then you can put the clamp on it. I'll put the clamp so the ends are at the top. Just like that. And then put the other side in. And then put the other dust boot on. And stretch it all around so it's the same shape. And push it on in until you put the clamp on. Clamp so the ends together at the top again. Extra hard to do with gloves on. Then you take these things and put one of these in, and it's got to go horizontal. I'm going to go clean this one first though. I cleaned it on the wire wheel. So it goes in horizontal, so when you put it on the yoke, it all lines up. There's one. Alright, the matching set. I noticed that my videos were a little bit dark, even though I'm under the brightest lights I have in my garage. So, all we need now is bleeders. I got some new ones. And some replated brake hardware, and put the calipers back on the yokes, and we'll be done. Alright, I powder coated all these springs. All the paint had worn off, and some of them had been zinc plated and they were rusty. So I just sandblasted them all and powder coated them. This is one of the nice ones. So the small part goes to the inside, because that's where the caliper pushes on it. So they go like that. Alright, I'm going to take these over to the vise and put the calipers in. That's it. That's how you put the calipers back on the yokes.